In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Canva projects to another Canva account. If you've ever wanted to move your creative designs from one account to another, you're in the right place. The process we'll cover is straightforward, but you'll need to have Canva Pro for this to work. So, let's dive in and simplify this task together. First, let's start by opening the Canva website and navigating to the project you wish to transfer. Take a moment to check if you're in the right account and have the design open that you'd like to share. Once you're there, look for the Share button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a list of sharing options that Canva offers. Next, find the option that says Template Link. However, remember that this feature is only available for Canva Pro users, so make sure your version supports it before proceeding. Selecting Template Link will allow you to share your design template seamlessly. After selecting the Template Link option, you'll notice a Create a Template Link button. Click on this and Canva will generate a unique link specifically for your design. This link is crucial because it's what we'll use to transfer your project to another account. Once the link is created, hit the Copy button. It's important to keep this link handy as it will be pasted into the new account shortly. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Canva dashboard where you'll locate the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Clicking here brings up a navigation menu where you'll need to select the Home option. Now ensure you're at the home page of your Canva account, and from there move to the top right where your account name or email is displayed. Clicking on your account name will reveal a drop-down menu, allowing you to switch between different accounts. Select the other Canva account into which you wish to transfer the project. Once you're logged into the second account, paste the unique template link you copied earlier directly into the browser's URL bar and press enter. This will redirect you to a page asking if you'd like to use the template for a new design. By clicking Use Template, you'll find that the design is now available in this new account, ready for editing and customization as you see fit. And that's it! You have successfully transferred your Canva project from one account to another. This method not only saves time but also ensures your designs remain intact throughout the process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Happy designing!